Today we have another waterproof mascara that is like the only way you see me without eyeliner. It is the Milk Makeup Kush waterproof mascara. This is made in Italy and it's a 0.32 ounce. This retails for $24. Also sell the mini of this and that retails $12 and you'll get 0.12 ounces. This one I actually just received it in BoxyCharm. If you saw that video, if you want to see everything I got, it was such an amazing box. By the way, I only wear waterproof mascaras, so if you love waterproof mascaras, you want to know which ones are my favorites, I have a bunch of reviews and I'll put the playlist in the description and I'll pin it in the comments if you would like to see. So before we get right into the video, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and let's go ahead and get started. Tell you what I love about waterproof mascaras is that they hold a curl better for me. I have very straight lashes and the regular formula of any mascara will not hold a curl. I always go ahead and curl my lashes first and I apply my mascara. But not all waterproof mascaras work well. That's what we're gonna try out today. Waterproof Intense Black Mascara with thickening, heart-shaped fibers and conditioning. Hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. So I'm just curling this lash. We'll do one at a time to see. Always do like 2 coats, but we'll see the difference. I'll stop at each coat and we'll see how it's working. It feels so heavy. I love it. It's so pretty. The one looks normal to me. Like, it doesn't look like anything special. I usually like the hourglass shaped ones. You know, it's very important also to have a good lash curler. How nice that it looks compared to this one. Let's do this. What do you think? I think it's alright. Of course, I got it on my lid because this brush is kind of big, but it does feel very lightweight. It's not like a wet formula. I'm just gonna go again with it, but I don't see like a curl stain, so that's kind of worrying me, as you see here. Alright, let's go in again. Not holding my curl. The first thing that I said, do the lashes look nice? Yes, they look nice. This is gonna work for a lot of people, but if you don't hold a curl, you don't work for me. I'm just very picky when it comes to my mascaras. If you don't have a problem with like your lashes staying curled, you will love this. Don't feel any like irritation on my eye. I'm blinking and it's not transferring. I think it's drying out fast. See, it's coming off a bit on my finger. I literally just applied it. I will also put in the bottom of my lashes. I usually have a mascara specifically for my bottom lashes. I know for a fact won't transfer, but this is the comparison. Wow, I think if it wasn't because of the lack of the curl, this is giving a lot of volume. Like, seriously, I hope you can see. I have a lot of both for me because my lashes, you can't even see them, so I need a lot of help. I will leave it in the description if you want to check it out, just in case you like that. Not everybody's gonna have my kind of lashes, but you are getting lots of volume and I see the length. You can go ahead after it dries and curl it. Ooh, Jesus. You can try to do that. Quickly, just do this one. Quick, that was 3 coats. Alright, so you see in the beginning it's like nice and curled, at least this one is. This one dropped. What do you think? I think it looks really nice. I would say start in the tip of the lash first after you curl them. It's already dropping. That's so sad. The formula is really nice. It's not clumpy. This one looks a bit clumpy maybe, but not bad at all. Like, they still look nice, separated, fluffy, voluminous. lengthening. Last thing I'm gonna say, if you do not have problem with your lashes curling, get this. If you like to splurge on high-end mascaras. Some of my favorite are drugstore, but I do not mind spending on high-end either. So it's up to you. Not my favorite, but it's nice. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, click the little notification bell, that way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!